Hello viewers, God bless you out there wherever you are. You're welcome to Math Magic channel. My name is Matthew Samuel Zion, and today I have here the YA question for 2024 circle geometry question. And this circle geometry question, if you observe, there is no number at all in it. All we have is Y, and L. And you're given that OBCD is a rhombus. So you are to be aware that OBCD is a rhombus. So you need to know the property of a rhombus, the properties of a rhombus. And there is a particular property of a rhombus that is important in this particular question. And what is that property? It is for you to know that the opposite angles in a rhombus are equal. Now, a rhombus is a quadrilateral that have all the sides equal, like a square. A square is also a quadrilateral that have all the sides equal. But a rhombus doesn't have all the angles equal. The opposite angles are equal. Meaning this angle and this angle are equal. This angle and this angle are also equal. So having said that, let's go straight into this. Okay, another thing you need to know is to know the properties of the circle geometry. The properties of the circle geometry. And what are the two properties that are needed in this question? The angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. That's the first property. And the second one that you need to know is that the angle that you have at the opposite end of the quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral, are supplementary. What do we mean by supplementary? Supplementary simply means they add up to 180 degrees. They add up to 180 degrees. So having known these three properties, we are good to go. So let's apply them. Now look at the circle. So you have L. So that means this place is 2L. Why? Because the angle at the center is twice the one at the circumference. So we have 2L here. Now, what's the second property? The second property I told you about the circle geometry is the two opposite angles of the cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, meaning they add up to 180. Meaning if here is L, here is 180 minus L, because the two of them will be added together to give you 180 degrees. So it means we have 2L here, we have 180 minus L here. So 180 minus L is equal to 2L. Why? Like I said, the property of a rhombus, the two opposite angles in a rhombus are equal. So having done this, you see very obviously from here that 180 minus L crosses. You have 2L plus L, so simple. So from here you have 180 equals 2L plus L gives you 3L. I see it. So from here you can divide both sides by 3. When you divide both sides by 3, you have 180 over 3 equals 3L over 3. So your L, 180 divided by 3, that's 60 degrees. So your L is 60 degrees. If this L is 60 degrees, that means 2L, 2 times 60. That means this angle is 120 degrees. 120 degrees. So if we have 120 degrees here, remember, this is a radius, this is another radius. So radius, the two radii are equal. The radius of the circle, all the radii in the circle are equal. So this radius, that means this triangle is an isosceles triangle. That means these two angles are equal. So we can call this A and we can call this B. So if we call this A and B, what that means is we already know 2L. We already know L is 60. That's 2 times L, 2 times 60, that's 120. 120 plus A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Alright, A and B are the same, so we can just call it A and A. So that means A plus A, and that's 2A equals 180 degrees. 120 crosses, so you have 2A equals 180 minus 120, and that is 60 degrees. Divide both sides by 2, A is 30 degrees. So now that we have A to be 30 degrees, B is also what? 30 degrees because both of them, like I said, are the same. So we have 30, 30, 120. So we are looking for y. Don't forget, we are asked to look for L and y. We've gotten L. Now we need to find y. To get y, which is the final thing we're going to be doing now, to get y, you already see here, this is L. So we have L plus A plus y and B plus y. That's sum of angles in the big triangle, in triangle ABD. So you can just say in triangle ABD. So you have L plus y plus A. Don't forget A is 30. Y plus 30 plus B is also 30. They are the same. Y plus 30 equals what? 180. The same reason, sum of angles in a triangle. So from here, L, we already know our L is 60. So 60 plus y plus 30 plus y plus 30 equals 180. So from here, let's add the 2y. So you have 2y plus 60 plus 30, that is 90. 90 plus 30, and that is what? 120 equals what? 180. So 2y equals 180 minus 120. So 2y is equal to 60. Divide both sides by 2. So you have 2y over 2 equals 60 over 2. 2 takes away 2. So y is equal to 30 degrees. That's all. So it's so simple. So finally we've gotten our L and Y. L is 60 degrees and Y is 30 degrees. God bless you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, Math Magic, and do well to like and share so others will also learn and get a lot of values. Thank you.